Garlic is simple, familiar food that nearly every household has in their kitchen. But did you know that just 1 to 2 cloves of garlic a day can make a remarkable difference in your health, especially after the age of 50? There's a well-known saying in ancient medicine, let food be your medicine, and medicine be your food. Garlic is a perfect example of that philosophy. It is not just a flavorful spice for cooking. Modern research has confirmed that garlic is a true superfood, known for helping prevent and improve many chronic conditions that often appear in middle age and later years. What makes garlic so special is a powerful compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or finely chopped. Allicin acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, with strong anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. Health experts say that eating garlic daily can reduce the risk of catching colds by up to 60% and help you recover faster when you do get sick. That's especially helpful during cold weather or seasonal transitions when our immune system may be more vulnerable. But the benefits of garlic go far beyond immune support. Garlic is also a trusted natural aid for lowering blood pressure, a condition that tends to develop silently with age, and is one of the leading causes of stroke and heart disease. Studies show that garlic extract, when taken in doses between 600 to 1,500 milligrams per day, can lower blood pressure just as effectively as some common medications. Of course, garlic should never replace prescribed medicine, but it is a great natural addition to your health routine. Just be sure to talk with your doctor if you're under medical treatment. Garlic also helps balance cholesterol levels. Many people who eat garlic daily experience a drop in bad LDL cholesterol, the main culprit behind clogged arteries and heart attacks, while maintaining or even increasing good HDL cholesterol. These changes may seem small at first, but they can add up to a significant boost in long-term heart health. Another powerful benefit of garlic is its richness in these nutrients act as your body's defense system, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, one of the main contributors to premature aging, memory loss, and diseases like Alzheimer's. Adding garlic to your diet every day can help sharpen your memory, improve mental clarity, and support a vibrant mind as you age. Garlic even helps your body flush out heavy metals such as lead and cadmium, which can build up over the years from pollution or contaminated food. This is especially helpful for people who live in urban areas or have been exposed to environmental toxins. And for women going through menopause garlic can offer relief from symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and bone loss. Some studies show that garlic may help regulate hormones and enhance calcium absorption, both of which are important for keeping bones strong and maintaining energy levels during this stage of life. So, how do you use garlic properly to enjoy all these incredible benefits? Many health experts suggest the best method is to crush or chop garlic and let it sit in open air for about 10 to 15 minutes before eating. This gives allicin time to activate fully. If you can tolerate raw garlic, just 1 to 2 cloves a day is plenty. But if the strong taste bothers you, try roasting a whole bulb of garlic until it softens, or lightly stir-frying it with vegetables to reduce the bite while keeping the nutrition. Another popular method is to soak garlic in vinegar or honey. Improves the flavor, but also makes it easier to digest and store longer. You can even make a warm drink by mixing thin slices of garlic with warm water and a spoonful of honey. This helps soothe your throat, warm your body, and support digestion in the morning. And if you're worried about garlic breath, chewing on mint leaves, drinking milk, or using sugar-free gum can help neutralize the smell. That said, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Garlic is powerful, and eating it on an empty stomach can irritate the lining of your stomach. If you're taking blood thinners or preparing for surgery, be sure to consult your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. Also, if you experience bloating or indigestion, it's best to start with small amounts and let your body adjust gradually. In short, adding just 1 to 2 cloves of garlic to your daily routine is a small habit with big rewards. From boosting immunity, protecting the heart, slowing aging, to sharpening memory, and supporting hormonal balance. It's simple, affordable, and natural. Start today, and you'll likely notice the difference week by week, month by month. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share the video so more people can learn about the amazing benefits of garlic. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried eating garlic every day? Do you have any favorite tips or recipes for using garlic in your meals? Feel free to leave a comment below. Your experience could help someone else on their wellness journey. Thank you for watching, and I wish you continued health, energy, and joy. See you in the next video.